Good morning, students. How are you all? Students, today I am going to teach you the fourth chapter of English, that is Wonderful Warli Art. Warli art is from the state of Maharashtra. The Warli tribe of Maharashtra creates beautiful paintings. They are called Warli paintings, and the paintings would be done on a red or brown background. India has many states. These states have groups of people living together and sharing the same beliefs and way of life. These groups are called tribes. Tribes means a group of people who share the same customs, religion, and language. Every tribe has its own style of drawing and painting. Warli art is one such popular style. Popular means liked by many people. Now, where is Warli art from? Warli art is from the state of Maharashtra. The Warli tribe of Maharashtra creates beautiful painting. Creates means makes. The Warli tribe of Maharashtra makes beautiful paintings. They are called Warli paintings. How did Warli art start? Many years ago, the Warli people did not go to school. They did not know how to read and write. So they expressed the stories of their tribe through beautiful drawings. Expressed means showed. Now they know how to read and write, but they still love to do Warli paintings. What does Warli mean? The word Warli means a piece of land in the tribal language. A piece of land is usually square. This is the reason that most of the paintings are done in a square frame. Frame means the lines inside which the painting is made. The paintings are done on a red or brown background. Background means the area on which the painting is done. This color reminds us of the soil of the land. What are the main shapes in Warli art? You can see two shapes in Warli paintings. Do you know which ones? Look at the paintings and say, yes, you are correct. Triangle and circle. Circles are used to show the sun, the moon, and the leaves. Triangles are for the hills, mountains, and trees. The Warli people draw humans by mixing the two shapes, triangle and circle. Two triangles form the body and a circle forms the head. The people never draw the eyes, nose, or mouth. Traditionally, the tribes never drew images of gods or anything religious. They created human figures and the nature around them. How is a Warli painting made? The Warli people use red mud to make the red background. They use only white paint to make the drawing. This paint is made from rice paste and glue. The artist means painters. The painters use thin bamboo sticks as brushes. Javier Somamashe. Javier Somamashe was a famous Warli artist. He received means got. He got many prizes for his skill. He had received awards from our former Prime Ministers Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi. He wanted his children to learn Varli art. So he taught them. Now his children continue making Varli paintings. This beautiful art form thrives. Thrives means grows because of artists like him.